stand in this ring and hold this title above my head. Hell, and all it took was climbing Mount Everest and beating the most dominant champion in the history of WWE.
Thank you, Rollins! 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 Thank you, Rollins!
Thank you, guys. And I gotta be real with you for just a minute. I feel terrible today. I feel like I got run over by a Mack truck, and I guess, I mean, if there were a human version of a Mack truck, it'd be Brock Lesnar. German suplexes, I took an F5 on the floor, I got ragged all around this ring before the match even started, but I got back up. I got back up. I took everything Brock Lesnar had to dish out, and I got back up. I may have taken what some might call some questionable tactics to gain an advantage.
Burn it down! 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 Burn it down!
The truth be told, I didn't do anything to Brock that he wouldn't have done to me.
Full-time champ! Full-time champ! Full-time champ! Full-time champ! Full-time champ! Full-time champ! Full-time champ!
Got a little bit of news for you guys. Last night after the match, I heard Brock Lesnar and Paul Heyman were taking a flight to Vegas for some meetings. As far as I'm concerned, I don't know if you guys agree with me or not, but they can stay in Las Vegas. Because Brock Lesnar is no longer the reigning, defending, undisputed Universal Heavyweight Champion.
Yes, yes.
I am. And I will do you one better. I am the reigning, defending, fighting, undisputed champion, and I'm going to be a champion that everyone in this arena and everyone around the world can be proud of. Oh, don't you dare be sour! Clap for your world famous five-time champs! It's a new day, yes it is!
on your face right now. You seem real confused.
It's Monday, yes, it's not Tuesday.
You're right. But rest assured, your eyes do not deceive you, for 'tis your boys, the New Day!
Damn, this place.
And this ain't the Superstar Shake-Up neither, okay? That's happening next week.
Yeah, it's coming. You see, we're here on Raw because last night was cause for celebration. And we just could not wait to SmackDown Live. Oh no. Last night, you became WWE Universal Champion. When you defeated the Beast Incarnate himself.
They don't like him.
You mean they don't like Lesnar? And our brother Kofi Kingston did the unthinkable. His dream would not be deferred when he won his first WWE Championship match in 11 years. And became your
WWE World Heavyweight Champion.
It's impressive. It's in the first place. It's impressive.
Oh my God.
Okay. So, after my match, I was in the locker room, hanging out with my two sons, watching the main event of WrestleMania. You know, the one that was winner take all. I thought that was a great idea for Becky Lynch, wasn't it?
No. All right, Grand Split's over.
So, what I'm saying is, how about the new Universal Champion and the new WWE Champion have a winner-take-all match here tonight? Now I know it seems like you and your boys, the Shield, ain't a thing anymore. So, no Shield, no New Day, just you and me, one-on-one, title for title.
This is awesome! This is awesome! This is awesome! This is awesome!
Challenge accepted.
Yeah!